Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fix a gap between a door. And you can see the light coming through. There it is. So we're going to fix this. Now, I recently replaced the door seal, so it's not the door seal. As you can see, it's a new door seal. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw a piece of window sealing. So this foam seal. So all you're going to need for this project is some foam window seal. This is a couple dollars at Lowe's or Home Depot. A pair of scissors to cut it with. So let's go ahead and open this up, cut it, and try it out. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just peel back this piece right here, and then get started. So go ahead and just put it right there on the edge. Try to make it flat like this, and then just put it on. If you cut it a little bit long, you could always just come back later and trim that part up. And you could just rip this up by hand as well. You don't need scissors or anything like that. I like to get all the way down to the bottom and then rip. That way. Alright, let's see what we're working with. Looks like it fixed the gap. Pretty happy with that. So it looks like. Let me open the door. So there you go. Doesn't look pretty, but it definitely fixes critter problems and air conditioning escaping or heat loss. So if you learn anything from this video, go ahead and like and comment. And also, if you like this kind of content, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'll be putting out more content shortly. Thanks for watching.